Okay, so we have a member of faculty, barrister Uto Essien. How will I enjoy Leadimpact University? Because we're here in a university, we are used to having a physical university. So, how can I enjoy Leadimpact University?
That's simple because we are now in a global society. The world is global because of the internet. So it's very easy for the common man, because nobody's common, to get hooked to with Lead Impact University. The courses are available and it's just a click away and it's not expensive. So it's within everybody's reach. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma. So, what do we expect from Leadimpact?
Lead Impact is all about is people oriented. So whatever the society needs at a point is what the university will offer. It touches everywhere because it's actually a Christian university which has to do with lifestyle, everything that has to make man better in leadership in every aspect of his life. That's what Lead Impact is all about.